Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the laptop OS and driver compatibility so the device will communicate correctly. Once done, plug the biometric unit into the chosen USB or Ethernet port and power it on. You do this now to let the system detect hardware. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account so drivers can install. If prompted, accept driver installation and grant any permissions so the device can enumerate and appear to the system. Next, install the manufacturer drivers and SDK because they expose the device APIs and features to your laptop. During installation, follow prompts and allow kernel mode drivers if required. This ensures low-level access. If the device uses Ethernet, assign the IP or use DHCP so the laptop and device are on the same subnet. Once installed, open the management application and confirm the unit shows up in the device list. Finally, enroll a test user so you verify capture quality and matching. You should capture multiple impressions for reliability. Adjust capture settings like timeout, retry count, security level, and template format to match your deployment needs because these impact false accept and reject rates. Once enrollment succeeds, run authentication tests. If the laptop fails to see the device, check physical connections, confirm driver status in Device Manager, inspect firewall rules, and reboot both the device and laptop as a first-line troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.